So this is the switches. As you can see, it is responding to my voice. When I clap, it goes off. When I clap again, it goes on. So this is basically a clap switch. The clap switch comprises of a fan, which I'm switching it, as you can see. When I clap again, it goes on. Clap again, it goes on. So that's what I have for today. Please kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel to get more of this, more of the automated projects. If you're in there and you need some projects, maybe you can contact me and you'll see. So the system comprises of an Atmega 328P microcontroller, and the power supply is regulated to 5 volts DC voltage. The sensor, which is the LM393 sound sensor, is coupled with the relay circuit. The relay circuit, the one which activates the fan. So this better maybe is good when you are in a system where you cannot access a switch, but that's a clap to get your system powered on. Yeah. Thank you very much.